Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple step-to-step tutorial on how to sign up for Mario Kart. So let's get started. First, ensure that you've downloaded the Mario Kart application on your mobile device, and once you've got it, tap on it to launch it open. In order to go ahead and continue signing up for Mario Kart, you'll need to first create a Nintendo account. Simply tap the next button and tap on the continue button in the pop-up to end up in nintendo.com. It'll then take you to this interface from where you can sign into your existing Nintendo account or create a new Nintendo account if you don't have one yet. To create a new one, tap on create a Nintendo account and select your age from the display. On the next page, create a nickname for yourself. On the next field, enter an email address. Right under email, create a new password for your account. Once you are done, confirm the password on the next field by retyping it again. Once you enter both of the passwords, go to the next field and select your date of birth. Select your year from the drop-down, month and day. Under General, tap the drop-down and select your gender. Select your country from the drop-down as well, and after you are done with it, if you want to receive special offers from Nintendo via email, tap this first square box. To agree to the terms listed in Nintendo account agreement, tap on this next box and finally tap on submit. Wait for a few seconds and on the next page, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your email you're trying to register with. Open up your email service inbox you're trying to associate with Nintendo and you'll receive an email. Tap on it to launch it open and you'll receive a verification code in it. Copy the code and then get back to Nintendo website. Paste in the verification code and tap on confirm. Soon after you do that, you have successfully created a Nintendo account. Now you can click on the link external accounts button, select your account, and you'll be able to link your Nintendo account with Mario Kart. Now in this page, you can go ahead and edit your name. If you're okay with it, you can leave it as it is and then check both of these boxes at the bottom and tap on agree. And that is how you should be able to sign up for Mario Kart. Go through the tutorial and start playing. So that is it for today. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.